Everybody, so gonna get a quick workout in real quick. It's about 7:20. I typically work out in the mornings, but not always. Sometimes I like to switch it up and work out in the afternoons. Something about me is I love change, so I really don't love to fall into a routine and do the same thing every single day. So like I said, sometimes I work out in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon, sometimes I'll shower at the gym. This morning I'm probably gonna drive home, shower, and then eat breakfast. So let's get the workout in and I'll see you in a second. Finished up with the workout, and honestly, this is the only equinox I've ever been to, so this is a judgment on this equinox, but honestly it's hard to get a workout in because it's so busy and literally everything that I wanted to do was taken. So I kind of had to wait around for a little bit and do other things in order to get the actual workout I wanted to get done. So I don't know if you have any suggestions on better gyms that are less busy, let me know. I previously went to Haymat, which was amazing. I'm never busy really, but unfortunately it's in Hollywood, which is like, 15-minute drive, so it's not that far, but a lot of times I don't want to do that drive and then have to drive back home in order to just work out. So headed home right now, gonna get some breakfast, and then yeah. All right, just got done showering. Now I'm gonna make some breakfast. And even though I said I don't like to fall into routines and do the same thing over and over, food is completely different. I've never really been a foodie, and I just am not really into food, so I really like to keep it simple and pretty much eat the same thing every morning. I eat tortilla, eggs, and some buffalo sauce and cheese on it. So I'm gonna make that right now, drink some coffee, and then I'm gonna head over to Last Good Film Lab to get a roll of film developed. So I just parked, walking over to Last Good Film Lab. I'm gonna get this roll of film developed. I made a video about shooting film. The previous video I was gonna post, but I need to get this developed before I can finish that video. I did screw this up. For some reason, it didn't rewind all the way, so hopefully it's not blank. But I guess if you see in the next video, if the pictures turned out, so definitely subscribe to see that. So just headed in here, gonna get this developed and then head back home. All right, back home now and just gonna get some work done. Have to make some edits for Amy's YouTube video, as well as I was gonna shoot a reel and then some like accounting stuff that I need to do. So just get some work done for the afternoon. Wanted to give you guys a quick tour of my office though. So I'm in the ADU, so this is separate from our main house. It has its own driveway, and so it's completely separate. We have actually been trying to sell our house, so honestly it's like super empty. Like my desk is pretty much empty, and then I have a couch and my surfboard, but nothing else in here. So it's pretty empty. So we actually just decided that we're not gonna sell our house. We're taking it off the market. So I'm gonna probably start trying to design this space a little better. As you can tell, it's super echoey in here, but it's super nice. Has a full kitchen, usually cook breakfast and eat lunch in here. And then it has one bathroom and then a bedroom. Again, super empty, but now that we're staying, I kind of want to make this space where I can record videos as well as work, make it a little bit more comfy than a super empty desk and a really bad chair. So that is the plan. I struggle a little bit with the layout just because I love this big window, but it does make it a little bit more difficult to plan out a layout because I still want it to feel livable. So I would like to have this more like a living room. So I struggle with where to put my desk because I honestly would like to have like a console and a TV right here and then have a coffee table and a couch. But then I'm like, where do I put my desk? I don't want to put it, against the window, but then the only other space here is in the kitchen. So I'm gonna have to drop some sort of layout and figure it out. So I'm gonna get to work now and then probably have lunch here in a little bit. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. So I thought I would show you guys a couple of recent outfits that I picked up this week. I will leave all the links below if you want to check them out. The first is from Zara. The pants are a little long, so I rolled up the right leg to where I was going to have them tailored. The waist is a little bit big as well, so I might have to have that tailored also. The top is just a short sleeve heavyweight t-shirt, and the pants are a linen cotton blend suit pant, and the jacket is a wool blend jacket. And again, these items are all from Zara. This is definitely my go-to style in the fall, as I love a nice t-shirt with a jacket over the top and a nice pair of pants. The next two outfits are from Reiss, which this is actually the first time I've ever shopped here. I was actually kind of surprised at how expensive the clothes were, considering the quality they felt. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had any experience with this brand and how it holds up. Anyway, I got this white tee with the Belmont textured suit pant in stone. Again, the pants are a little long, so I rolled up the right side to where I'd have them tailored. I definitely love the look of a more fitted suit pant paired with a more relaxed t-shirt. I think it works well since they're definitely opposites. Lastly, I picked up a second outfit from Reiss, which is this black button-up shirt with these pleated relaxed pants. Unfortunately, the shirt is a little bit small for my liking, and it was the biggest they had. I do like it, but it feels a bit snug and a little bit short. I really love the fit of the pants, but unfortunately they had a stain on them that I didn't notice while I was in the store, so I'm gonna have to return those and get a different pair. Again, I'll link all these outfit links below if you want to check them out. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up my day. So I'm just finishing a few edits on Amy's YouTube video to finish off the day. After that, I'll probably head back inside and hang out with Amy and the pups for a little bit, cook up some dinner, and relax for the rest of the night. So I really appreciate you watching. Definitely let me know in the comments what other types of videos you want to see from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.